السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today we will be learning a special group of letters. First group of letters are called Huroof Mustaliya. These letters are also known as the 7 full mouth letters. They are Kha, Sad, Dad, Ta, Va, Ghain and Qaf. The easiest way to remember these letters is by memorizing this phrase, Khussa Daghatin Qidh. The second group of letters are called Huroof Halqi. These letters are also known as the 6 throat letters. They are Hamzah, Ha, Ayn, Ha, Ghain, Kha. The letters of the top of the throat are Kha and Ghain. The letters of the middle of the throat are Ayn and Ha. The letters of the bottom of the throat are Hamzah and Ha. The third group of letters are called Ikhfa. There are 15 letters in Ikhfa. They are Ta, Fa, Jim, Dal, Val, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Va, Fa, Qaf, Kaf. The fourth group of letters are called Idgham. There are 6 letters in Idgham. They are Ya, Ra, Mim, Lam, Waw, Noon. The easiest way to remember these letters is by memorizing this phrase, Yarmaloon. The last group of letters are called Qalqalah. There are 5 letters in Qalqalah. They are Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, Dal. The easiest way to remember these letters is by memorizing this phrase, Qutubu Jaddin. Memorize all these special letters and phrases before moving on to the next lesson. Join us in our next lesson. Fi amanillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.